attention all Wood County units at 10 o'clock. Wood County Communications will be conducting the monthly test of the Wood County Outdoor Early Siren System. Time now, 9:50. Wood County units. Wood County will now conduct a test of the all zone alert functions of the Wood County Outdoor Early Warning Siren System. Please advise the results of your test when asked to do so by communications on FireCom. Southward. Rockford, can you advise the results of your siren test? To Rockford, can you advise the results of your siren test? To Harrisburg Township, can you advise the results of your siren test? What county issues? Floyd County to Troy Township, can you advise the results of your siren test?
Troy Township, Wood County, Lemoyne, Lucky, Stony Ridge, all function properly. KPJ 236.
Break. Wood County to Middleton Township, Station 1, can you advise the results of your siren test?
Middleton Township 1, siren activated. Deactivated properly.
Middleton 1, you're clear. Break. Wood County to Middleton Township, Station 2, can you advise the results of your siren test? County to Middleton Township, Station 2, can you advise the results of your siren test? Wood County to Northwood, can you advise the results of your siren test? to Northwood, can you advise the results of your siren test? County to Bradner, can you advise the results of your siren test?
Both sirens activated, deactivated, Wood County.
Clear, break, Wood County to Central Joint, can you advise the results of your siren test?